Welcome back to Deluxe Detail. Today we're going to have a look at a black 740 BMW. Now this car can be described in no other way than simply being destroyed by the owner. I don't think it was their intention for the car to end up this way, but as it slowly faded, they weren't sure what to do. The paint got worse and worse until it reached the point that you can see it in today. Again, this car has probably been a little overwashed and underpolished. It wasn't badly treated, it was cleaned regularly. The interior is really nice, and although there's some marks on the outside, it certainly isn't bumped or smashed or heavily scratched. It does, however, need some very serious work done to the paint surface. As you can see, this dry, flaky clear coat needs some desperate attention.
Hi there, welcome to Deluxe Detail. Today we have a black 750 BMW. Now, this car was a very expensive car, it was brand new, but it's fallen on some tough times. It's been left out, unmaintained, and for some reason both the roof and this boot here have gone extremely faded. You can see by looking that it's gone all sort of white and dry. Now, in order to repair something like this, we need to first test a couple of patches. It's not all the same for every car. Some cars require more, some require less, but we've got a big range of products that we can try on this paint first of all to get it back looking good. If that doesn't work, we've got a variety of different heavy, coarse, light, wet, dry applications here. Some nice blocking features, we can get that going. So I hope you enjoy what you see. This is going to be a 2-day paint restoration. We're going to correct all the paint across the entire vehicle in the hope that the customer can get it ready to sell. So let's get started. So the regular G3 requires water in order to really activate the process. So this is often very messy. An apron is quite a good thing to wear. If you are worried about the car, you should tape up the rest of it. Look, we're lucky enough, we work in a commercial environment. We have a commercial wash area out there with high pressure. We can clean them up afterwards. So let's have a look and we'll see how we go with this section of the car. So what we can see here now is it looks a little bit shinier, but really still in that clear coat there's a lot of scratches and a lot of fading still on the top of the paint. So we need to go to the next step. In order to do this, we keep cutting, but the process is a little bit slow. We're going to actually need to physically change the appearance of this paint, so I think we'll need to rub it back a little bit. To do that, we'll probably start with maybe into sort of 1200. We might not try to go too hard, and then finish it off with some 2000. And then recut it again. So let's give that a little bit of a go in the section and we'll see how we go.
When using sandpaper like this, be sure to keep the surface well lubricated and work in nice, consistent, straight strokes. Try not to put too much pressure in any one spot, as you'll find you'll wear through the surface of the clear coat very quickly. We started with a 1200 and then moved up to a 2000, and that left us with a nice, flat white sheet to start cutting away at. As I'm cutting this car, I start with a very aggressive G3 compound. This works really well with some water as it helps activate the cutting capabilities of the polish. It does, however, get a bit messy, so it's worthwhile wearing an apron or at least having some clothes on that you are happy to get dirty. I'll speed this process up a little bit here as it can be a little tedious. In small sections, work your way across the car with the heavy cutting compound. We then take a step back and used S320 Black, which is still a diminishing polish designed to remove any swirls left in the paint from the hard cutting process. really nice soft glaze from Scholl in order to seal and protect the paint. What you don't see at the end of this process is a paint sealant added, cured for an hour, and then a couple of nice layers of polish over the top, just to make sure that when the car is washed, it doesn't ever return back to this, or not anytime soon anyway. A transformation like this is spectacular. Although the roof does have some very minor marks in it, it was in extremely bad condition and could be quoted thousands and thousands of dollars to have the paint repaired. This process did take us a couple of days. I really hope you like what you've seen here today. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us through the website or via email. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more great videos like this one. Thanks for watching Deluxe Detail.